Dear students, welcome to Cramster.
Exercise 1.1, question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. First we will state Euclid division lemma, that is a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r, which is less than b. Then we will compare this lemma with the question. Here, in the place of a, it is positive odd integer, and in the place here, it is 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. From this, it is clear that p equal to 6. So, we will write let a be any positive integer and be equal to 6. Then Euclid division lemma can be stated as a equal to 6q plus r, since b equal to 6, where 0 is less than or equal to r, which is less than 6. In the place of b, we will write 6. So we will get 6 outcomes, that is 6q, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. But the three outcomes are even, since the remainders are even numbers. So we will conclude that hence a is odd positive integer. It is of form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer, because by ignoring all these three outcome from this, we will get 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, which is the required answer. Question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? In the question, it is given that number of army contingent member equal to 616 and number of army band members equal to 32. If the two groups have to march in the same column, we have to find out the highest common factor between the two groups, that is 616 and 32. We will use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF. First we will divide 616 with 32. Then we will get 32 as divisor and 19 as quotient and 8 as remainder. Then we will state it as, or we will express it as 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here remainder is not equal to 0, so we will continue the division. Then we can express as 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Here remainder is 0, so we will take the divisor as HCF. Question number 4. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. First we will state Euclid division lemma here, that is a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r, which is less than b. Then we will compare the lemma with the question. Here we have two outcomes, that is 3m or 3m plus 1. By comparing this with lemma, it is clear that b equal to 3. So we will state lemma as a equal to 3q plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r, which is less than 3. Now we will get three outcomes for A, that is 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. But in the question we required the square of any positive integer. So we have to square all these outcome, that is a square equal to 3q square, a square equal to 3q plus 1 the whole square, and a square equal to 3q plus 2 the whole square. Here we have the answer as 9q square plus 6q plus 1 and 9q square plus 12q plus 4. But it is not in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So we will compare this with the required result and we will express it as 3 equal to 3q square by taking the 3 out of the bracket. Here it will be 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Then here it will be 3q square plus 4q plus 1 into 3 plus 1. So it is clear that if we consider the term in the bracket as m, the result will be 3m. Here also the result will be 3 into m plus 1. Here it will be 3 into m plus 1. So we can state that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. By comparing Euclid division lemma with the outcomes here, it is clear that B can be 9. Then we will have 9 outcomes. Here we have to show that cube of any positive integer is of this form. So we will have to find out cube root of all the 8 outcomes. It will be so lengthy. So we will consider B as 3, which is divisible of 9. So let A be any positive integer and be equal to 3. Then we will get 3 outcomes, that is 3q, 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Here we have to find the cube of all positive integers. So we will cube all these outcomes, that is a cube equal to 3q the whole cube. Then a cube equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. A cube equal to 3q plus 2 the whole cube. Here we will expand these terms using the identity a plus b the whole cube. Then we will get these outcomes. Here 9 is divisible by this. So we will consider this. We will rewrite this equation in this form. By considering all the terms in the bracket as m, we will get 9 into m plus m form. Here by considering the bracket term as m, we get 9 into m form. So in case 3 we have 9 into this plus 8. So considering this as m, we get 9m plus 8 form. Therefore, all the 3 cases explained above, it is proved that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So it is proved.